Secure Microsoft Office apps on iOS devices with Microsoft 365 Business. Welcome to M365 Professional. Many users want to use Microsoft Office apps on their mobile devices for partners and IT admins. This presents a challenge of keeping your company information safe while making it easy for employees to access company data. Anytime, anywhere across multiple device types, Microsoft 365 Business can help. You can use an application management policy to help keep your data secure. Let's set up a policy that requires the user of the device to give a PIN or a fingerprint before they can access Office apps on their phone. We'll also ensure that all work files stored on the device are encrypted, safeguarding your company's data. If the device is lost or stolen, we're using an iOS device for this demo, but you can apply the same process for Android or Windows 10 devices. Let's get started. Sign into the Microsoft 365 Business Admin Center and add a new policy. Name the policy and choose the policy type that you want. In this case, we'll choose Application Management for iOS. Select the main settings to see the sub-settings that let you control Office apps on your iOS devices. Let's look at two settings that control requiring a PIN to access Office apps and making sure all your data is encrypted. To secure apps by requiring a fingerprint or PIN before a user can access them. Turn on. Manage how users access Office files on mobile devices. This gives you access to the other settings on the list. Now we're going to make sure these three settings are all turned on. Require a PIN or fingerprint to access Office apps. Protect work files when devices are lost or stolen, and encrypt work files. And we're done changing settings. If you ever want to go back to the original settings that came with Microsoft 365 Business, choose Restore Default Settings. Next, you can decide which Office apps on the device will be protected by these settings. By default, all apps are selected, and we'll just keep it that way. 1. Now, choose the groups you want to apply these settings to. By default, all users are selected, but you can change this and select any security groups you've created. Any new users you create will automatically be added to the users group, and any policies assigned to the group will be applied to the new users' devices. Just click Add to finish creating the policy. Confirm that this new policy was added. Now, when users open an Office app like Outlook on their iOS device, any data associated with the app is encrypted. When they start the app, they will be asked for a PIN or fingerprint. Let's see what happens when we download and set up the Outlook mobile app on an iPhone. Open the App Store. Download and install Microsoft Outlook. Open Outlook and get started. Enter your work email address. Confirm that you can see the dialog that the organization is protecting data on the app, and you need to restart the app. Tap OK and close Outlook. Locate Outlook and restart it. You'll be prompted to set a PIN. Learn more about policies by checking out the Microsoft 365 Business documentation. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. M365 Professional. Check out more content here.